Told y'all everything's a distraction. Puff Daddy, distraction. The ship in the bridge, distraction. Earthquake, distraction. It's all a distraction to keep you from knowing the truth. And here's what they don't want you to see. They don't want you to see why your credit score is so low and all of the bad debt on your credit report. What's worse, they don't even want you to know that you can clean all that off yourself. Let me show you how. Well, I use an online do-it-yourself credit resource that helped me pull my credit reports, identify errors, and dispute negative items, using credit dispute letters that it even prints for you. In addition to sending those letters to the bureaus, it also shows you how to lower your credit utilization and build good credit moving forward. It's how some of our clients have used this system to get success. Here's another client's result. And here's another member's results. Now, if you want to learn more about this, type distraction in the comments, give me a follow right here, and check out my profile. Because at the end of the day,